Hi folks! Today we are going to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to check and see if your gym of choice is participating with SilverSneakers that may or may not be included with your particular Medicare health plan. So first step, we're going to go to Google here. See, we're already here. Next step, I want us to type in SilverSneakers find a gym. You can go to the SilverSneakers homepage right here. But what we're going to do is we're going to go down to locations. It'll take us to the SilverSneakers website, and this isn't quite the address I want it to put in, so I'm going to search our zip code for our office in Sandy, Utah. And as you can see on this side here, these are the participating gyms within a certain miles radius of the zip code. So we have Anytime Fitness here. Click on it. There's more information. Talks about what amenities this particular gym does. There's the address, phone number. You can also instantly check your eligibility and see if you qualify. You can also click here and get directions. But if you scroll down a little bit, here's a rec center, Copperview Rec Center, another rec center, athletic club, 24-hour fitness, another rec center, Vasa, another rec center, another rec center, another Vasa, and so on and so forth. You can also print these results if you like to. So let's change it up a little bit. Let's check California. You have Anytime Fitness, Fit Public, Fitness Quest, Health Club. You kind of get the picture here. This is going to be the easiest and most efficient way to check and see if your particular gym is participating with SilverSneakers. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a like if you did. It helps us out quite a bit. And subscribe for future how-to videos like this on how you can better maximize and make use of your Medicare health plan. Thanks a lot.